Ulit-ulit, masubukan tibagin sa pangarap pa rin. Ako nakatingin, di mayayanig. Masasakit na salita ba ang wikain nyo?
They keep on talking, I keep on winning. Kung makikinig kahit pa they keep on trying.
Come to my empire, I won't stop far. I trust nobody, I'm gonna be an enemy, yeah.
Sa paligid-ligid lang, mga taong nahihibang. Hibang! Hintay lang, sa tsansang ika'y paslang.
Taguan, kitang-kita na manarap-harapan. Sinong talo. Nani ko ang talunan, kasi wala akong pake. Sabi, tumabi. Wala akong pake.
Sila kong pake.
Hanggang salita lang yan sila, hindi ako magpapadala.
Pero kayo hindi kayo hanggang salita. December 15.
Wala, itataga sa tala.
Sa sarili kang kayahan ko maniniwala.
Yeah.
Magbatala sa negatibo, mali ka nilang akala.
Wala akong pake.
Sabi, tumabi.
Kasi wala akong kape.
Pero may
Wala
pake
akong
kami kung
kape.
pupunta kayo sa December 15.
Yes! See you sa December 15.
Yeah.
Guys, free for all yan.
Yes. Sa gateway lang yan. Sa bagong sa Cubao. Malapit lang yan, guys. And after work hours yan, 6 p.m.
We are feeling like stars. Can hand this feeling, yeah.
Have my eyes locked on your body. Since you came, I ain't seen nobody else. No one else. Just be yourself.
I just can't let go of your grip, losing my breath.
I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. Yeah.
You better get your groove on. You better get your groove. Get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Get your groove on.
Ang tigitan ng puso ko, di ko bigyan ng pagdaloy.
Umiindak sa kilos mo, damdamin ko nag-aapoy.
I don't care where you're from. All I get is the beat of this drum.
You're speaking in motion, feel the emotion, hey, yeah.
So pull me in, it's all like the spell. Tonight, let's check the storm.
Taking confessions, not suggestions, hey.
I just can't let go of your grip. Is it a sin? I just
We're just
can't
practicing,
say
guys, not
what's
serious.
on my mind. Don't need a friend. Everybody, you better get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on. You better get your groove on. Better get your groove on. Everybody now. Ang tigitan ng puso ko, di mabigyan ang pagdaloy.
Umiindak sa kilos mo,
Damdamin ko nag-aapo.
get your groove on now, cause it's gonna overlap. Oh, yeah. Have all night, maybe tomorrow, surprise me.
Get your groove on down up on this dance floor. Yeah.
Have all night, maybe tomorrow, surprise me.
I just can't let go of your grip. It's in my soul.
Just come
And say what's on my mind.
need a friend.
No need.
Better get your groove on.
You better get your groove on.
Groove on.
Groove on.
Groove on, groove on.
Tinitam ng puso ko, di mabigyan ang pagdaloy.
Umiindak sa kilos mo, damdamin ko nag-aapoy.
Groove on.
Ano muna? Album showcase muna.
Bago tayo mag-concert, pumunta muna kayo sa album showcase namin sa December 15 na gaganapin sa Quantum Sky ng Gateway. Diyan lang sa Cubao.
Super lapit.
Afterbirth.
Kahit
6
sabi ng
p.m.
utak mo na hindi dapat.
Ano ba sabihin ng love?
Guys, okay lang yun kahit di kayo napili sa 10. Meron pa sa 15. Free for all yan. Kaya pwede kayo magsama ng madaming people.
Yes.
I will always put you first. Even though I know it hurts. You have bullets for your words. Till I'll be here at your worst. It's a blessing and a curse. I keep pushing through the cold. Through the warmth you never show. Built you are so very tall. All your silence says it all. Still I'm waiting for your call.
Seems that I don't have the scars that you
Don't have the
do.
scars that you do.
Wish that I
Wish that
didn't care, but I do.
It hurts the most, I can't the most with or without you. It sucks to know you didn't show the love I need from you. It takes a toll, it's getting old that I chase after you. But I get along cold. But I get along cold. Broke myself to fit your heart. Try to find the missing parts. Piece of pieces on the ground, and you never turn around, screaming but without sound. Seems that I don't have the scars that you do. Wish that I didn't care, but I do.
Thank you, Scarlett.
It smells like animals with or without you. It sucks to know you didn't show the love I need from you. It takes a toll, it's getting old that I chase after you. But lucky now I'm cool. For all the promises broken, words were unspoken. I grew to love I wanted with the tears of faith. Not pain as my armor, hope is my anchor. Know that in my heart that you are forgiven. Seems that I don't have the scars that you do. I see it now, more in love from your view. Our love the same, I will remain with or without you. It's good to know I've learned to grow from all that we've been through. It took a toll, but healed my soul. This love I have for you, but laging totoo.
This is always real.
Yes.
Hi, guys. Ooh, oh.
Sa mga nag-rap kagabi, galing nyo.
Grabe, napakagaling nyo, guys. I'm a Filipino, what?
Ay,
I'm a Filipino, what? Filipina queen na, I'm a Filipina. Filipina, I'm a Filipina.
What did you ask?
Woman na queen, we got.
Usapin naman natin siya.
I'm also good.
How are you, everyone? Hi, girls. Hello.
Outfit suggestions for tomorrow. Actually, ang
Cozy.
outfit suggestion namin is something cozy.
Cozy.
Kasi para tayong magtutropang
Nag-open forum.
nag-open forum. Yung tatlo may extra mic lang, pero lahat tayo.
Oo. Kumbaga
Oo,
kami lang yung
parang
yapper.
ganun. Oo. Pero lahat tayo, parang nag-hangout lang, ganun. Very cozy. Kung gusto yung mag-sweater, kung gusto yung mag-t-shirt lang, pajama, go. Pero sa 15, ang outfit,
Sayang hindi napili.
something na may pearls.
Yes. Sayang hindi napili. Okay lang yan. Meron pa sa 15. Huwag kayo mag-alala.
Kung hindi kayo napili for 10, sana makita namin kayo sa 15, guys. As in, ito yung unang beses na Actually, ito rin yung unang beses na mag-mall show tayo. On our own, no?
No, like, for us.
For us.
Yeah, for us. Yeah.
This is our first mall show na for us talaga.
Like, G22.
Yeah, for G22.
G20-centric
Yeah.
mall show.
And ito yung first album namin na iperperform namin yung ibang songs sa album.
Medyo masakit na yung alam ko.
Yes, iperperform namin yung ibang songs sa album. So, sana makita namin kayo sa G22-centric na mall show na to.
G22-centric.
This December 15,
Gateway Mall.
6 p.m.
Gateway Mall.
Sa Quantum Skyview.
6 p.m. yan.
After work yan, guys. Sana makita namin kayo. Sa mga may work, ipapaalam namin kayo. Sana po i-early leave niyo po sila kahit ngayong araw lang po para makanood at makahabol sila. Tama. Sa kataas-taas ng kagalang-galangan. Sorry.
Hindi ko makita. Alam mo.
Till when do you think I can? Hindi na ako. Dapat masakit na yun. I'm just hiding behind. We've been training and then we've also done vocal rehearsal. Kaya dito po kami.
Yeah, ano to? Yeah, invitation to yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, manood kayo yan.
Good.
Bigyan pala ako.
Okay.
Muna.
Alright guys, thank you so much.
Ay, excuse me. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanood ngayon.
We love you.
Sana makita namin kayo sa 15, guys. And sa mga mga sa 10, mga na-email na, kita-kita po tayo bukas.
Bye.
Okay naman, wala namang problema kasi